Keep your heating and cooling system running at peak performance with professional HVAC maintenance in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania from Home HVAC Services Group. Our experienced technicians provide comprehensive seasonal tune-ups designed to improve energy efficiency, extend equipment lifespan, and help prevent unexpected breakdowns. Call our HVAC maintenance if you have any questions. Are you looking for HVAC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance? Most HVAC professionals recommend scheduling maintenance twice a year, once in the spring for your air conditioning system and once in the fall for your heating system. Regular tune-ups help improve efficiency, reduce the risk of breakdowns, and extend the life of your equipment. What is included in an HVAC maintenance service? A typical HVAC maintenance visit includes inspecting system components, cleaning coils and filters, checking refrigerant levels, testing electrical connections, lubricating moving parts, and ensuring your system is operating safely and efficiently. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC maintenance has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland St. Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.